This dance is called I'm on Fire. It's a 28 count, 4-wall, beginner stroke improver level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the left foot, into a half back rumba box. So you're going to step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left back. Shuffle back on the right, into a coaster step, left foot leading, back close step, step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left. That set of steps once more then. Half back rumba off on the left. 7, 8, side close back, back shuffle, coaster step, step, pivot. Cross shuffle, right over left. So we cross the right over left, left to the side, cross the right over. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left, step the right back to the side. Add on a sailor step, crossing the left behind the right, right to the side, left to side. Behind, side, side, that's sailor step. And a half toe turn. So we're going to touch that right toe back, turn yourself half a turn to the right as you put your weight down on that right foot. So that set of steps once more then. Cross shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, cross shuffle, side touch side, sailor step, toe turn. Let's add that to the top. Half rumba box back off on the left. 7, 8, side close back, back shuffle, coaster step, step, pivot. Cross shuffle, side touch side, sailor step, toe turn. Now you're going to make a further quarter of a turn right as you step the left to the side. Cross the right behind the left. Into a vaudeville step. So the left is going to go to the side and slightly back. Touch the right heel forward on the diagonal. Bring the right back beside the left. Cross the left over the right. That's your vaudeville section. Shuffle forward on the right. We're going to put a quarter turn right on to start with. So quarter turn right into that shuffle step. Step forward on the left. Pivot yourself half a turn to the right. So that set of steps once more then. We've just done our toe turn. Further quarter turn as we step the left to the side. Cross the right behind into those vaudevilles. 7, 8, turn behind and heel and cross, turn, shuffle, step, pivot. Now whilst we have got a 3/4 turn at the end, you've also got a 3/4 turn at the very beginning. So let's do with the one at the end then. Quarter turning shuffle, step, pivot, a half. If you want to try and take that combination of 3/4 out, what you can do is rather than making a quarter turn right and shuffling forward, make a quarter turn left as you step the right back into a back shuffle step. Then just rock back on the left and recover your weight on the right rather than doing that step pivot. So that takes out the 3/4 at the end. Now right at the very beginning we do that quarter turn. That is after having done the toe half turn in the previous section. So you will have done your sailor step, toe, half turn, further quarter, 3/4 of a turn. If you want to try and take that combination out, what you will need to do your sailor step, step the right toe back, instead of turning just lower the heel, so turn it into a back strut, so a toe strut travelling backwards. And then rather than turning that quarter right, you turn a quarter left as you step the left to the side at the start of the next section, behind and into your vaudeville steps. So non-turning steps should you need to take some of those turns out. So let's add that section onto the top. Half rumba box back off on the left. 7, 8, side close back, back shuffle, coaster step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side touch side, sailor step, toe, turn, turn behind and heel and cross, turn shuffle, step, pivot. Shuffle forward on the left, and to end the dance, half a rumba box going forward, right to the side, left beside right, step the right forward, half a rumba box forward. So effectively you're doing a full rumba box, but you're just splitting it between the end of the dance and the start of the dance. So that last little set of steps then, shuffle forward on the left, 7, 8, left shuffle, side close, step. So let's add that to the top, take the dance all the way through. Half rumba box back, off on the left, 7, 8, side close back, back shuffle, coaster step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side touch side, sailor step, toe, turn, turn behind and heel and cross, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side close step, and you're ready to go into your side close back to start the dance again. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the cats. Half rumba box, back rumba box, off on the left. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So hopefully you're going to feel for the timing. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Half rumba box back, off on the left. 7, 8, side close back, back shuffle, coaster step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side touch side, sailor step, toe, turn, turn behind and heel and cross, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side close step, side close back, back shuffle, coaster step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side touch side, sailor step, toe, turn, turn behind and heel and cross, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side close step, side close back, back shuffle, coaster step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side touch side, sailor step, toe, turn behind and heel and cross, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side close step. So that's your dance. Now there are 2 little restarts in this dance. They come on walls 3 and 8. Walls 3 will be your 6 o'clock wall, wall 8 will be your 9 o'clock wall. Both of them come in the same place after 16 counts, so halfway through the dance. So you basically will have just done your toe half turn and you restart at that point. So those of you who are taking the 3/4 of a turn out and have decided to eliminate that toe turn, quarter turn set of steps, you will have to remember on the restart walls you need to actually do that toe half turn. Otherwise you'll be facing the wrong direction and restarting on the wrong wall. So it's 16 counts in after that toe half turn. So non-turners, put the toe half turn in on these two walls. Wall 3 being our 6 o'clock wall, let's take you up to the restart point and restart the dance so you can see where it fits in. Half rubber box back on the left. 7, 8, side close back, back shuffle, coaster step, step, pivot. Cross shuffle, side touch side, sailor step, toe, turn, restart, side close back, back shuffle. So hopefully you can see where that restart actually fits in and why you need to do that toe half turn if you're an alterner. So those are your restarts. Wall 3, which is your 6 o'clock wall, wall 8, which is your 9 o'clock wall, after 16 counts both walls. So that's your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side close back, back shuffle, coaster step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side touch side, sailor step, turn, 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 behind and heel and pass, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side close step, side close back shuffle, coaster step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side touch side, sailor step, turn, 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 behind and heel and cross, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side close step, side toes back shuffle, coaster step, step, cross shuffle, restart wall, sailor, toe turn, restart, side close back shuffle, coaster step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side touch side, sailor step, turn, 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 behind and heel and cross, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side close step, side close back shuffle, coaster step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side touch side, sailor step, turn, 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 behind and heel and cross, turn shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, side close step, rah-rah. Cross shuffle, turn, shuffle, rumba, cross shuffle, should we start with all? Restart, runner. Hope you managed that one.